realm of romantic relationships, expressing love goes beyond mere verbal declarations. Relationship experts suggest that men, like women, value actions that convey love and appreciation. While saying, "I love you," is undeniably significant, certain gestures have the power to resonate even more deeply with men. In this article, we delve into 7 things that men appreciate more than verbal expressions of love, as shared by relationship experts. 1. Thoughtful gestures. According to relationship experts, thoughtful gestures hold immense value in conveying love to men. These gestures can range from surprising them with their favorite meal to remembering and celebrating special occasions. It's the extra effort and consideration put into these acts that make them stand out. A surprise date night or a handwritten note can leave a lasting impression, showing that you've taken the time to understand and cater to their preferences. 2. Quality time. Experts emphasize the significance of quality time in building and maintaining a strong connection. Men appreciate undivided attention and genuine companionship. Whether it's engaging in shared hobbies, going for a walk together, or simply spending a quiet evening at home, dedicating quality time fosters a sense of intimacy. This nonverbal investment in the relationship speaks volumes about your commitment and strengthens the emotional bond. 3. Acts of service. Actions, it seems, truly speak louder than words. Relationship experts highlight the importance of acts of service in demonstrating love. Whether it's helping with chores, offering assistance in a time of need, or simply taking the initiative to lighten their load, these actions communicate care and support. Men often find reassurance and love in partners who actively contribute to the partnership, showcasing a willingness to share responsibilities and navigate life together. 4. Physical affection. Physical touch is a powerful communicator of love. Beyond verbal expressions, experts emphasize the impact of physical affection in deepening emotional connections. Simple gestures such as a warm embrace, holding hands, or a spontaneous kiss convey love on a visceral level. These actions create a sense of security and comfort, fostering a connection that transcends words. Understanding your partner's preferred love language and incorporating physical touch can significantly enhance the emotional closeness in a relationship. 5. Encouragement and support. Experts highlight the importance of encouragement and support in making men feel valued and loved. Offering words of affirmation, acknowledging their achievements, and providing reassurance during challenging times contribute to a positive and supportive relationship dynamic. Men appreciate partners who actively cheer them on, creating an environment where both individuals can thrive. This form of emotional support goes beyond verbal declarations of love and establishes a foundation of mutual respect and appreciation. 6. Shared goals and future planning. Discussing and planning a shared future is a powerful way to convey commitment and love. Relationship experts stress the importance of aligning goals and aspirations, fostering a sense of partnership and shared vision. Men appreciate partners who engage in conversations about the future, demonstrating a commitment to building a life together. Planning and working towards common goals create a sense of unity and purpose that resonates deeply in a relationship. 7. Trust and respect. Building trust and demonstrating respect are crucial aspects of any healthy relationship. Experts emphasize that actions reflecting trustworthiness and mutual respect carry more weight than mere verbal affirmations. Trust is established through consistent actions, honesty, and open communication. Respecting boundaries, actively listening, and valuing each other's perspectives contribute to a foundation of trust that goes beyond words. Men appreciate partners who show through actions that they can be relied upon and who genuinely respect their autonomy within the relationship. Conclusion. In conclusion, while verbal expressions of love are important, relationship experts stress that certain actions can resonate even more deeply with men. Thoughtful gestures, quality time, acts of service, physical affection, encouragement, shared goals, trust, and respect are all powerful ways to communicate love and strengthen a relationship. By incorporating these elements into your partnership, you can create a foundation of love that goes beyond words, fostering a deep and meaningful connection.